As you can see here, my update is currently queued. The first thing you can try is to cancel the update by clicking on the X here. This will cancel the queued update. Then, click on Fortnite again, and you should see the update start running without being queued. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to open up the Task Manager. Look for Fortnite in the list of processes, and if you see it, end the task. If you can't find Fortnite, end the task for the Epic Launcher instead. After you've done that, restart your PC. Once your PC has restarted, open up the Epic Launcher again and check if the problem is solved. As you can see, the update is now running smoothly without being queued. If these steps don't solve the problem, sometimes it just needs some time. Let the update run for a few hours and it should fix itself. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the Fortnite update stuck on queued issue on the Epic Games launcher. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.